Today I'm going to narrate a short story on the topic the fight of Bungtsho Gyelpo's ox in Tsholang. Bungtsho Gyelpo had an ox which used to drink water from Dzongkha so every day. One evening, the ox returned home drenched in blood and wounds. The Gyelpo was surprised as to what might have inflicted his ox so much wound. The following evening, he followed his ox Menzangso. He found a Tsholang emerging off the lake as his ox growled thrice after drinking the water. Seated on the rock watching his ox fighting with the Tsholang, he could not help seeing his ox missed off by the Tsholang. He remained awake the whole night planning for his ox's next fight as to how he would enable his ox to defeat the Tsholang and either stake him. The third day it was the time for his ox to go to Menzangso for drinking water and most probably for fighting with the Tsholang. He was determined that the fight would be the last as he fixed daggers on each of his ox horn. The same thing happened. His ox drank water, growled thrice, and the Tsholang emerged from the lake. He was excited as he cheered for his ox silently. The water in the lake turned red with the blood of the Tsholang. Tsholang's defeat forced the Tshomen to abandon the place. The very next day after the Tsholang was defeated, a house in Menjabi village received unknown guests towards evening requesting room to rest for the night. The house owner initially refused as they were in the huge numbers. The two guests requested that they be given the hut that was adjacent to the host's house, but they requested the house owners never to peep into the hut they were staying after the dusk. The hosts had dinner and slept, but before they slept, an unusual noise from outside caught their attention. The humming of insects was louder than ever. Curious, the father peeped outside and found their fellow terrace was filled with water, and the hut his kids were sleeping was full of serpents. Suddenly, he went to sleep without telling his family members. It was dawn, yet one could hardly identify anyone. The knocking of the door early in the morning woke the host up. It was their guests. They exchanged words of gratitude as it is customary in Bhutanese culture. They thanked the host and apologized for the trouble they caused. They finally gave one gold shoshoma as a token of gratitude. By the time the guests left them, it was already a clear morning. The father checked his fellow terrace and found his land wet. Ever since the receipt of that gift from the strange guest, the house is said to have become rich. The guest they believed was the Tshomen of Menzangso in Dzongkha who were on the way to Jare after their Tsholang's fatal defeat. According to the people of Dzongkha and Umling, clouds could be seen on Jare mountain top whenever there is rainfall in their village and vice versa, drawing the relation that the Bangtsho of the Jare mountain top is the Menzangso which left Dzongkha village. If you like this story, please like, share and subscribe. Until then, thanks for being with me. Thank you.